Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a couple fun ways for you to count down to Christmas with your kids. This one I made myself as a surprise to the kids, and this one I made with Winston's. Let's just fix this here. There we go. Both of these ideas are perfect if you are doing something last minute like I am. I hope you like them. Let's get started. This first one is a lot of fun, and I don't know about your kids, but my kids always need socks. Every morning they're searching for socks, so I thought, why not give them a pair of socks to count down to the days of Christmas? Since I have 4 kids, that is a lot of socks that I would have had to buy, so I decided to just combine it, and each of the kids will get 6 socks as we count down to Christmas. They will just take turns opening them each day. So I have them in the little piles. So this is Gage's pile here. I have Layla's pile here, Winston's pile here, and Braylee's pile here. So you can see that there are some Christmas socks mixed in with regular socks that they'll wear every day. You're also going to need some wrapping paper, and you could do a different wrapping paper for each child. I also found this yarn just at Hobby Lobby, and how adorable is this? There are so many fun things that you can do. So this is what I'm going to use to hang the socks from. And I'm going to use these cute clips that I found from Hobby Lobby to clip the socks onto the garland or the little pom-pom yarn. You'll also need a pair of scissors, and then I'm using this string to tie up our little presents. So I'm just cutting the wrapping paper into strips. This is kind of thin, so I am going to make sure to roll it a few times so that the socks don't rip through. I'm just taking a pair of socks, and these are perfect. You're going to want to roll your socks up like this and just put them at the beginning of the wrapping paper and roll them up. And you can wrap this different if you want to. I'm just gonna do it this way. A couple pieces of string or ribbon or yarn, whatever you have, and make this look like a little piece of candy. I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. And like I said, this wrapping paper is kind of thin, so it is tearing, which is kind of a bummer. That's okay. Okay, and then I'm just going to repeat this with all of the different wrapping paper with all of these socks. So in total, we'll have 24 pairs of socks. I'm just going to put their initial right where we can see it. Their gaugers. Like that. All right, we have all of our socks wrapped up and ready to go. So now you're just going to take your clip, and you can do the countdown. I always do it like on day 1, I do a 1 and then count down to 24. But I think I'm gonna do it different. I always hear back from you guys. I'm gonna start with 24 and we're gonna count down to 1. So we're just going to hook that to our garland, like that, and then hook it to our socks. And then it will just hang like that. Then when you take it off, you can just leave the little clip on, and it will still show the number of the countdown. Super cute, right? And so easy. Please let me know if you try this one. I can't wait to do this every day with my kids. I think it's so fun to unwrap something little with your kids each day. Last year we did books, and I highly recommend that. And this year I thought it would be fun to do socks, because like I said, we're always looking for socks. What are we doing next? This! I just found this at Michael's. Let me show them a little bit better. So you can find these and you can put them together. And I thought it was so adorable because it's a little countdown and it's something easy that I can put together with my little ones. Yeah, are you excited? Layla woke up from her nap to join us. Okay, you open it up. Then we have to follow the instructions, okay? Okay. Let's find these pieces. Do you see this shape? What shape is this? We're gonna poke all of these little pieces out. See? So we'll use this picture so it's an example and we can kind of see how it's supposed to look. Okay? Yeah, great job. are done. I'm gonna be really honest. This was a little more challenging to put together than I thought, but it's super cute. Also, some of the stickers fell off and we couldn't find them. But all in all, this is a fun little activity to do with your kids and a fun way to count down to Christmas. Yeah? Yeah. Right, that is it for this year's Christmas countdown. I hope that you like these. I hope that they helped if any of you are looking for an idea. I have so many Christmas countdown videos that I will leave linked down below. I also have a couple 12-day Christmas countdowns that I'm going to be posting soon. Now let me know if you try these. We would love to see pictures on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.